Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock the Kraken pool in the game Fish. To begin, you'll need to reach the Atlantis region, which is a prerequisite for starting the Kraken pool quest. This area holds valuable rewards, including the powerful Kraken rod and unique fish. We'll cover each step to ensure a smooth unlocking process, making it easy for you to access this exciting new zone. First, ensure you have access to Atlantis by acquiring the Heart of Zeus. Once inside, your journey to the Kraken pool begins by finding 4 specific clock wheels scattered throughout the region. Each wheel presents a puzzle, requiring you to align its hand with a unique mythological symbol. Carefully observe your surroundings to locate these initial 4 clocks and set them correctly. Next, you'll encounter a 2-player clock puzzle. While designed for 2, it is possible to complete solo with careful timing. One player activates hidden buttons, while the other aligns the clock's hand with glowing symbols. After successfully navigating this challenge, proceed to find the 5th and final clock wheel. This last clock is situated directly at the entrance to the Kraken pool itself. With all previous clocks set, approach the final clock wheel at the Kraken pool entrance. Align its hand with the red spear symbol to complete the unlocking sequence. The passage to the Kraken pool will then open, granting you access to this exclusive area. Inside, you can fish for the rare Kraken and purchase the powerful Kraken rod for 1,333,333 credits. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.